What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be working on the FRS. I'm going to actually be painting my front lip that I've had for a couple weeks now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off and then I'm going to show you everything that I got for it. Alright, so now that I got the front lip off, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wipe it off, hose it down because it's got some road debris and everything, and I'm going to clean this surface and everything, and then I will show you the next step. Alright, so now that we wiped it down and everything with the hose, basically what you're going to do, you're just going to take your cloth and you're basically just going to rub it all down, and then we're basically going to put some prep ball, it's called. Once I get to that stage, I will show you what it looks like, and then we're going to clean it because the prep ball is basically all for removing grease and like grime and tar and all that good stuff. So let me wipe this down and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so basically with the prep saw, what you're going to do, you're going to take this and you're just going to spray on the lip or whatever you're painting, and then you're just going to take a nice clean towel. I just got shop rags, and basically all you're going to do is just get all the grime off of it and everything. So then the next step is going to be we're going to be scuffing it, so I'll get back to you when we do that. Alright, so basically what we're doing now, we're just scuffing it with just a little scuff pad that I got from O'Reilly's. I got the 3M.
Right, the 3M is the best.
So this one we got.
And it's gonna start, you can see it's starting to dull the finish. It's not like you're grinding it, but you're just taking off that glossy gel coat.
Alright, so basically after we're done with this, we're going to use Prep Sol again, and basically...
Yeah, and what the Prep Sol's doing, it's wiping all the dust off, because there is dust, because I'm breaking the gloss.
Yeah.
Okay?
So then basically we're going to scrub it down, and then basically clean it again, and we should be ready for paint. Alright, so we got the first coat. So far, so good. Basically, here, I'll show you what it looks like. Like, obviously, I just put it on, so you're not really going to be able to tell too much. Let it focus. Come on. So, basically, it's looking pretty good. There's no runs or anything. So basically what we're gonna do is let it dry for like half hour, 45 minutes. And that was just the bottom of the lip. So it doesn't matter if it gets that great of coverage on it, you know, because obviously I'm lowered, so it's gonna scrape. So basically what I'm gonna do is just one coat on the bottom, and we're gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna do the top, and hopefully the next clip you see is us painting the top. So as you can tell, looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. There's a couple of runs there, but I'm gonna wet sand it, and I'm gonna fix that and everything, so don't have to worry about that. And plus where it is, it kind of connects to the bumper, but I still want to get it fixed just because I'd rather just do it right once so it's done. So I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and then I will see you guys in the morning. What's going on, guys? It's the next day. I decided to wake up early and wash the car and everything to just make it look pretty and everything, because I haven't washed it in like a week. So this is what it looks like now. So as you can tell, the color is pretty close, but I plan on getting some side skirts. So once I get my side skirts, I'm actually going to go to a paint store and actually get the correct OEM paint, so it actually matches and everything looks good. But that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.